Number one, I declare to you, go forward. Number two, find help. Number three, live long. Number four, prosper. I place grace upon your hand. In this season, prosper. In righteousness, prosper. Financially, prosper. Fruitfulness is your portion. I speak to you as he placed it in my spirit, prosper. Every demonic force holding your hand, making your productivity to not yield, in the name of Jesus, we come against that spirit now. I declare by all godly means, prosper, do well, make progress in the name of Jesus. Prophecy number 5, I decree and declare, walk in divine wisdom, walk in divine